Brittney Griner's divorce from her second wife, Sherelle Griner, was a shocker for a lot of people. But new details behind the divorce just leaked, and it's way messier than we even thought. It's starting to get really ugly for Brittney because this is her second marriage and her second divorce. So now she's facing paying two exes, the mothers of her children, child support. You know what they say, it's cheaper to keep her. Legal estimates suggest that Brittney could face up to paying $300,000 per year in combined child support payments due to her high income earning status. So she does make a cute little coin, but she took a big hit in her finances while she was in prison. Remember, she missed playing a whole season, and her legal defenses, because it was overseas, was very expensive. And here's where it gets really messy. The 35-year-old Connecticut Sun Center has to navigate between two marriages, two divorces, co-parenting obligations involving 3 children in 2 different states. That's crazy. So now with this second divorce, she's going to have new child support payments. And now they're saying between the 2 exes, her pockets are going to be hit for at least $300,000, if not more, a year. I mean, that's a lot of her annual salary to me. She divorced her first wife, Gloria, back in 2015, and she already had a big child support payment, allegedly. If you guys know anything about child support, you know how messy it can get with multiple exes, children involved, and all that. Nobody wants their support to go down, but hell, I mean, it gets messy. So the courts established Brittney as a legal parent with support duties for the twins with Gloria, her first wife, who she divorced back in 2015. She has to pay child support for the twin girls, even though they were conceived through IVF, and she has no biological ties to them. They're saying she has a similar legal agreement set up for her son Bash that she had with Cherelle. So in 2024, Brittney and Cherelle had their son Bash. The court documents show Brittney is requesting joint legal and physical custody, as well as a formal child support determination under Georgia state laws. Another reason cited for complicating their divorce is the fact that it's between 2 women. So we're going to check out the MTO article as to what some of the challenges are in this divorce. From a family law perspective, divorces involving assisted reproductive technology bring unique legal layers that traditional marital splits rarely encounter. Courts have to analyze IVF consent documentation, surrogacy agreements, birth certificates, and prior custody orders to establish financial duties regardless of biological ties. When calculating support for her toddler in Georgia, family courts will factor in her existing court-ordered child support for her twins in Tennessee as an income deduction. At its core, family law treats financial obligations to legal children identically regardless of gender or sexual orientation. Once legal parentage is cemented in court, a high-earning parent has the financial responsibility to support their children across the households. So because she makes so much money, she's pretty much responsible for, the kids in both marriages. So they're saying, so at this point, we don't know what set this divorce off. We still don't know why Brittney Griner filed. The wife, Cherelle, has not come out, well, soon to be ex-wife, has not come out and said anything. But this is crazy, you guys. What do you think about Brittney Griner's legal situation? Do you think it's any different from a male star having kids with 2 ex-wives? I mean, honestly, I think it's about the same. If you agree to be the high earner in the relationship and you have to pay child support, it is what it is. Women are paying child support to men now. So I don't see this as, strange. But it is pretty messy. I mean, she got cross states, 2 they're not baby mamas, but ex-wives. It's a mess, you guys. But y'all jump in the comments. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.